Demonstration on how to clean oxidised copper using tomato sauce. Oxidised, put it in tomato sauce. More. Leave for a little while. The acid in the tomato sauce, or ketchup if you'd like to call it that, will remove the oxidisation on your copper jewellery. It's as simple as that. Oh, the toggle catch is shiny and bright again. The chain. This is just so easy to do. It looks disgusting, but it actually works. And depending how shiny you want to get your chain. Now I'll go over to the tap.
Well, I'm going to give this bloke a ring, I suppose. There we go. So we'll go out. I'm going to have to disc up down the bottom there. That's for disc up, no far out in water. Just want to work it up.
Voila!